What's up, YouTube? You know, it's kind of funny. Me and my boys were just, or actually my son Devin, were talking about the other day when a car almost hit me. I actually took my truck out for a drive, and I went to go get my wife a Dutch Bros. And it was when I went to go. I was at a stoplight, went to turn left, and of course there was a car across. He was turning right, and I hit a green light, of course, green arrow, and then he hit a. So he was turning right on a red light. So, but then he almost hit me, and I was thinking about. We were talking about it, and I thought, you know what? That dash cam, that free dash cam that I got, I wonder if it caught the footage. What is that? Bird poop or something? Anyways, I thought, I wonder if it caught the footage. So I'm gonna come in here and see if indeed it did catch the footage. So let's go ahead and turn the truck on here. Set this thing so all right. So you know, I'm gonna raise this up a little bit so the pipe is not exactly touching the ground. Alright, so you know what, let me see if I can get rid of this glare. Let me close this garage partly. Whenever I film, I always got this glare here. Can't close it all the way though. Let's see if that'll help. I think it should. Alright, what's better? Okay, so I have never really messed with this thing, so I'm not really sure exactly. I know this is it right here. Okay, so this is what it's showing now. And I don't remember how to get to the. Oh, well, that's not. Well, that's kind of cool. I didn't even know you could do that. It puts it like in a little window right here. That's kind of cool. I didn't even know you could do that. Okay, so maybe it's in the settings. No. Where was it? Oh, okay. I think here. Okay, so here's some recordings that I had. I'm not even sure how it records. Let me see. Well, let me just see if I can go back. Maybe I can see an image. Okay, I think this is when we were in. Let me see. Maybe it's this one. Okay, this is actually it. That was crazy. I picked the right one. I think this is it. So I was sitting at this stoplight. Let me see. Wait a minute, is that the sound? Oh yeah, that's actually the sound. I didn't really actually realize that it records the sound as it's recording, I guess. Which is weird that it started right here though, because I was driving the whole time, so I wonder if it records for a certain amount of minutes and starts over. Or look, there's the car right there. Okay, so I get a green light, I'm turning left, he decides to turn at the same time, and he sees me at the last second and turns sharper. And man, in the video it doesn't look like it was that close, but in real life it sure felt way closer. Let me so I said some not so nice words right there, but man, there it is. That was on this dash cam. Let me turn this down here. That was so that's kind of cool. So it did catch it, which is weird because it literally started right when I was at the stoplight. And you can, looks like you can scrub back and forth here. So this is forward. Yeah, so you can actually scrub this. Let's go back. And let's see, where was that at here? Which I'm wondering, maybe it just separates it. So maybe it records the whole time and it just, so this is us at the Dutch Bros. Let's go forward. Okay, so this is when I go, yeah, okay, so it records everything. It just separates it in like a certain amount of minute files, looks like. So this is where I was stopped. And then it just moves to the next file, I guess. Yep. So that's kind of cool. Anyways, we were talking about it, and I thought I would record it to see if it actually works. But this is the little, I mean, they sent that dash cam to me for free when I bought this radio. I'm not even sure what model or whatever. I'm pretty sure I put an SD card in there. I think that's my SD card, but it wired directly to the radio, and you can see, you can go back. Let me see, let's go back here, and you can see all of the different clips, which is pretty crazy. So I mean, I'm guessing it just, I don't know what it does when it starts running out of memory, but does it just continue to loop? I don't know. But it actually records the sound. I didn't even realize that, but look, there it is. There's the mic. So it's recording right now. But I mean, for free to come with this radio, like I said before, I believe I paid $280 for this radio. And that was one of the things. Yeah, you had to go in there and like click and put it in your cart or whatever to make sure you get it. But I did it, and they sent it to me with the radio. And I mean, you can tell right there. Look, okay, so you have to hit the screen. So okay, so you could turn off the mic, but I think that's kind of cool being on there. You could turn off the video, I guess, if you didn't want it recording, which I don't know why you want it. I'm not sure what that lock button is, but maybe I need to mess with this a little bit more. But hey, that's pretty cool. You click on this, you go back to the files that it has recorded, and you could go back and watch it. Man, I mean, for free, you can't beat it. Anyways, you know, I'm gonna try to find what the number is for this, the model, or I'm not sure if it's even in there or whatever. Maybe I'll put a link to it. But anyways, I thought it would be cool, be a quick little video to see. Went back, looked, found it, watched it. Pretty cool. I mean, you can see it right there. The video is not great, but it's definitely not terrible. Probably not going to get any license plate on it, but you could see what happened, or what, you know, if you were to get an accident or something here on the front. But anyways, quick video showing this little dash cam that I got for free when I purchased this radio. Anyway, signing off. Everybody have a wonderful day, YouTube. Peace.